Hello to all my friends out there. And so, unfortunately, all the birthdays and all the holidays are over. So now I want to go back to being extremely cheap because, that's how I save money. And a while back, I bought some pork roasts. I think I have 4 up there. So these are 2 small ones, and I thawed them out. And what I usually do is, if one is bigger, I bake the bigger one, and then I grind the smaller one, or I cut it in strips and make stir fry. So these, or I cut it in like pork chops and fry those with eggs. So these pork chops are really, or these pork roasts are really good deal because you can grind them like hamburger, or you can bake them like a roast, or you can cook them on the grill for tacos. And also, these pork roasts are really good if you bake them and you pour green salsa. You bake them with green salsa and then shred them. That's really good for tacos. So when pork roasts are cheap, I buy a few. And here is my Markdown bratwurst sausages, and I like to make either mashed potatoes with sauerkraut or mashed potatoes and gravy with those. And so when I find these on Markdown, I like to get at least 2. I usually buy 2 at a time. And then I have some instant mashed potatoes. Those are handy, and some rice. So if you have these 3 items, you can come up with some dinners that are really cheap. Just add some frozen vegetables. So I'll be back in a few minutes. This is going to take me through 3 nights. And this is dirt cheap. This is maybe about $8 worth of meat, and then $2 on the potatoes. So you figure $10 for 3 nights dinner. That's cheap. So I will be back, and I'm going to make some baked, I'm going to bake some pork roast, and then I'm having barbecue sauce with mashed potatoes and some kind of vegetable. That is a cheap dinner. And so I will be back in a few minutes, and so God bless you all. Oh, and thank you for all the comments. I have been working a lot, so I will answer all the comments as soon as I get a chance. And thank you for all the nice birthday wishes. I really appreciate it. I had a really nice birthday. It was really fun. We had a lot of fun. And I just want to encourage all of you, for your birthdays, have crazy cheap birthday parties. One of the holidays I did, if you remember, we had sloppy joes for the holiday, or chili, or tacos. Anyway, so all right, I'll be back in a few minutes with the pork roast, and God bless you all.